Interlocking systems in substations, a safety mechanism. This document provides an overview of interlocking systems in substations, which serve as critical safety mechanisms to ensure the safe operation of electrical equipment. By enforcing specific operational sequences for circuit breakers, disconnectors, and earthing switches, these systems help prevent dangerous situations, such as energizing a circuit while maintenance is being performed. The document outlines the purpose, types, common scenarios, and benefits of interlocking systems in substations. Purpose. The primary purpose of interlocking systems is to prevent accidents and maintain the integrity of the electrical system. By ensuring that switching operations are performed in the correct order, interlocking systems help avoid potential hazards such as arc flashes and electrical shocks. This is crucial for the safety of personnel working in substations and for the reliable operation of electrical networks. Types of interlocks. Interlocking systems can be categorized into two main types. Mechanical interlocks. Mechanical interlocks consist of physical barriers or linkages that prevent a switch from being operated unless another switch is in the correct position. These interlocks provide a tangible means of ensuring that operations are performed safely and in the correct sequence. Electrical interlocks. Electrical interlocks utilize circuits to monitor the status of other equipment. They only allow the operation of a switch if the necessary conditions are met. For example, a circuit breaker must be open before a disconnector can be operated. This type of interlock adds an additional layer of safety by relying on electrical signals to control operations. Common interlocking scenarios. Several common interlocking scenarios are implemented in substations to enhance safety. Disconnector circuit breaker interlock. This interlock prevents a circuit breaker from being closed unless the associated disconnector is open. This ensures that the circuit is isolated before any operation is performed. Disconnector earthing switch interlock. This interlock ensures that an earthing switch is open before a disconnector can be operated. This prevents accidental energization of the circuit while maintenance is being conducted. Access interlock. Access interlocks prevent entry into a compartment within the substation unless the relevant circuit breakers are open and the earthing switch is closed. This is crucial for protecting personnel from exposure to live equipment. Benefits of substation interlocking systems. The implementation of interlocking systems in substations offers several benefits. Enhanced safety. Interlocking systems significantly minimize the risk of electrical accidents for personnel working in substations, thereby enhancing overall safety. Reliable operation. By ensuring proper switching sequences, interlocking systems help prevent damage to equipment, contributing to the reliable operation of the electrical network. Reduced downtime. Interlocking systems help avoid unnecessary interruptions in power supply due to incorrect operations, thereby reducing downtime and improving system efficiency. In conclusion, interlocking systems are essential for maintaining safety and operational integrity in substations. By understanding their purpose, types, common scenarios, and benefits, stakeholders can better appreciate the critical role these systems play in the electrical industry.